What's up? So I've got this here busted computer. You see it's got this touchscreen crap. Stopped working, so I'm going to show you how to fix it the Redneck way. First you drop it face down. Very important. You need a hammer. You don't have to have a hammer, but it helps. Rip the back out of it. I mean, just knock the back out, you know, that's what I'm saying. Just unscrew that puppy, man. Just take it all apart. I mean, screws are meant to come out too. We're gonna go with spare parts on this. Just take this kind of stuff here. Just throw it. Just don't hurt the Trans Am. That's all I'm saying. Just unscrew everything that you see. If you see a screw, just unscrew it. Just flip it up just like this, you know? Give it a good yank. There we go. There's the problem right there. It's all cracked up and screwed up, so you want to take this right here and just throw it just like that. Problem solved. Next, you'll need a measuring device. This is very, very important. Very important. Let's measure that stuff, you know, just measure it this way, that way, maybe sideways just for fun. Now we got a wood cut. Now we just nail that stuff together. Make sure you always use wood glue. Everything seems to fit. Dude, it's screwed in place. A master computer repairman. Anytime you're doing computer repair, it's always best to use top wood glue. Never forget every joint. So if it's not quite fitting right, what you need is just get your hammer, just make that thing fit. Bam, just like that, fits. Freaking. And we get speakers installed. All we gotta do is put some legs on this bad boy and this computer's fixed. It's kind of key that you know how to use a tape measure, but you don't have to. Glue every joint. Well, look at there. We got us a repaired computer. Let's plug her in, see how she does. Moment of truth. Turn this bad boy on. Looks like I might have screwed up. Daggone it.